Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make something cool. Basically, I'm making a tofu in order to keep it longer and to cook it in anything you want. It's much easier. I have to do some tofu later, so I'm going to do it right now, and I'm going to show you how it's done, and we're done. So the first thing you need to do, I'm going to go here on these cameras right here. I need to open this in the bowl because there's a lot of juice in there. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this, and so now that all the water can stay in the bowl. All right. Okay. Then you're gonna get another bowl after that. I have a cooling rack with, okay. So I'm gonna bake those in there. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's do big guys. Okay. Cut in the middle. Cut right here. Middle. You can do small, big, whatever. Okay. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna take this, put them in there with a little cleanup. And on this one, I'm going to put a bunch of avocado oil. Make sure there's plenty of oil, huh? And then turmeric, just because it's pretty. I like it. I like the prettiness. It's going to be beautiful. All yellow, super cool. All right. And I'm going to bake them. That's going to take about 40 minutes, and they're going to get crispy and beautiful. And that's it. I have an oven at 375. And look at that. Great. See? Just like that. Spread them out really well. And that's it. And I'm going to go for about, I don't know, 40 to 45 minutes. We'll see. Make sure they don't touch each other. That's the thing. All right. Oven 375, 30 to 40 minutes. Bye bye. Okay. We'll come back in 30 minutes. All right. My tofu is ready. It just beep. My oven is ready to go. So, all right. Look at this. See? Let it dry. Okay. Relax. 5 minutes. And then you have beautiful cubes. You see now why we put so much oil, right? Ooh, so it's all hot. But that's what they look like. They're cubes. Cool. Awesome. That's it. Now, that tofu can keep. You can keep it in the fridge outside and you can put it in salads, soups, whatever you want. It's much easier. You can saute them, put them in anything you want. So that's how to work with tofu. This is how to work with tofu. Much easier. This thing is done. You can do a big batch if you like tofu. Then you have tofu for the week. Cool. All right.